Welcome back to the Coding Problems Explained series. Today, we are tackling an interesting dynamic programming challenge called Minimum ASCII Delete Sum. This problem is excellent for understanding how to optimize character operations between strings. Here is the core mission. You are given two strings. Your task is to delete characters from one or both of them until the remaining strings are exactly identical. However, the twist is that every deletion has a cost. We want to minimize the total sum of the ASCII values of all the deleted characters. Let's clarify what we mean by cost. In computers, every character is represented by a number code called ASCII. For example, the lowercase letter A has a value of 97 and B has a value of 98. If you choose to delete the letter A from a string, you pay a penalty of 97 points. Let's look at a concrete example. Suppose we have the word see and the word eat. To make them equal, we can delete the S from see and the T from eat, leaving us with the common substring E. The cost would be the ASCII value of S, which is 115, plus the ASCII value of T, which is 116. The total penalty is 231. Trying every possible combination of deletions would be too slow. Instead, we use a strategy called dynamic programming. This allows us to break the large problem down into smaller, manageable subproblems, building up the solution step by step. We can visualize this process using a grid or a table. One string represents the rows, and the other represents the columns. We create a DP table where each cell represents the minimum delete cost to make the prefixes of the two strings equal up to that point. To fill this table, we follow two simple rules. First, if the characters at the current position match, we don't need to delete anything, so we just carry over the cost from the previous diagonal cell. Second, if they don't match, we have a choice. We can either delete the character from the first string or the character from the second string. We calculate the cost for both options and pick the minimum one. Here is what the logic looks like in code. We loop through every character of both strings. Inside the loops, we check for a match. If it's a match, we copy the previous value. If not, we take the minimum of deleting from string 1 or deleting from string 2, adding the respective ASCII cost. Let's talk about efficiency. The time complexity is O of m times n, where m and n are the lengths of the two strings, because we visit every cell in our grid once. The space complexity is also O of m times n to store the table, though this can be optimized if needed. To wrap up, the minimum ASCII delete sum problem asks us to find the cheapest way to make two strings equal based on character values. By using dynamic programming and a 2D grid, we can solve this efficiently by making the optimal choice at every step.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.